Painting neatly, especially around window panes, requires more patience than I have. And so I used to painstakingly mask off the glass with strips of tape every time I paint it. And you imagine if a window this size and you're doing 2 or 3 windows, a lot of time, you spend way more time masking the glass than actually painting the window. So I finally decided to forego masking altogether, and I would just paint it. If paint got on the glass, it got on the glass. I wasn't going to worry about it. What I learned is that it wound up being a much faster way to paint in the end. So what I did here, here's a couple I just started. You can see the paint kind of got splashed out onto the glass a little bit. I didn't even worry about it. I'm just going to take a knife, a 6-inch wide putty knife, and a window scraper. This is just you can get this in any hardware store and put in a nice straight blade razor. I'm just going to scrape the paint right off the glass. There, you see after just a few seconds how nice and clean that comes out. Using this trick, you don't have to worry about being such a sloppy painter because in the end, you save time and get a much neater job.